Hello, everybody. My name is Jackson Wingler. Today, I'm gonna be going through a quick, cool little thing to do inside of workflows. So, as you can see, we are inside a workflow here. I have it all set up for what we're going to be doing today. What we're going to be doing today is a cool little feature added about a week or so back, maybe two, where whenever you have it set to create a record for whatever reason, whatever method, whatever, it used to be that if you wanted to use the record you created later on inside your workflow, you couldn't. It just would refuse to work. But that's different now because now you can go ahead and do it. So we have it set up, create record. And then next, we're going to want to create a task, let's say. Enter task title. What can we do next? Create record, the created object. Pretty cool, right? So now, whenever we create the record, we're going to create a task involving the created object, which would be a contact record. Pretty cool. But that's all I have for today. Thank you for watching. My name is Jackson Wingler. I hope you learned something. Have a great day.